Crowns versus bridges, which one do you need? A crown covers and protects a single damaged tooth or tops an implant. You really should choose a crown if you have a cracked, chipped, really a weakened tooth that no longer can be fixed with a filling, or to finish an implant and have the tooth connected to your titanium screw. A bridge replaces one or more missing teeth, spanning the gap using neighboring teeth for support. Now, a bridge is a good option if you're missing teeth, a large number, and want to be able to replace multiple, or you want to stop neighboring teeth from shifting. From there, it gives you a chance to be able to chew and smile and have it be restored in a short amount of time. Bottom line, crown equals repair, bridge equals replace.